Hi, it's Kyle from Ante Graphic Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to press 7 colors of EasyWeed. Alright, so I got all the colors laid out here in the order that I want to press them, black being first. This is the matte black Caesar EasyWeed. I've got my shirt loaded up. I've got my heat press at 305 for 15 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and pre-press it for about 3 or 4 seconds just to get the moisture out, get the wrinkles, and then we have our first layer here. Just going to put on the shirt, do about 3 fingers down, get it centered, place it on there. Now for each layer that you're going to put on here, you only have to tack it on enough to get the carrier sheet off. You don't want to press for the full 15 seconds and cause any kind of shrinkage and have anything misaligned. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to press it for 2 seconds and then I'm going to move on to the second color. So that's basically it. You just want to get it on there. Now this is, the matte black is on there, and I can start with my second color. Second color is the green. Just going to go ahead and line that up. Put it on there. And again, just for 2 seconds. Feels hot. And then the next layer. Again, 2 seconds. This is green, that was green apple. I should have said that. This is the yellow, which is the next layer. Two seconds. Peel hot. Alright. Then we have sun yellow. Two seconds. Peel hot. Orange. Two seconds. Alright, and then our last color is red. So since this is the last layer, I'm just going to do 2 seconds. Remove the carrier sheet. And then now I'm going to press for the full 15 seconds. So each layer only gets a couple of seconds. Now I can do the full 15. Cool. So there it is. 7 colors of EasyWeed. Pressed to a shirt. Super fast, super efficient. 2-second tap. I think it turned out pretty good. I got all these EasyWeed colors and more on our website, anteupgraphicsupply.com.